your question, the head and title is not given, but you give yourself. I have given title as fun time activity A. You can also give. Now within body you will have to write the output is given, sorry, the HTML code is given as your question, and you will have to find out what will be the output of this HTML code. So let's start. We will do within the body section what is there, we will type here, and we will save this file. After saving this file, we will see that what is the output, and that will be the answer of this question. So let's start. It will be, you will write here B, that is for bold. You can write capital letter also, B. Now after writing bold, next you have H1. This is heading. H1 is heading, and then you will have to write here, bring the following items. Bring the following items. Then you will have to close it. H1. This is the heading. After this, next line you have UL. UL means unordered list. UL, then you can write type. UL type is equal to, then you will have to write inverted comma, double inverted comma, then disk. Next we will write list item. LI, we will, for writing list item, we will write the code, or we will write the tag LI. Now cold drink. Then you close LI. Similarly we write the others. Now we will close unordered list. UL tag we will close here. After that, another list we will write, that is OL, that means ordered list. OL. Again we will write the list item. Now we will close ordered list. Again you have another unordered list. Now it is finished. Now we will save the file. Save as activity. Suppose I am giving the name activity, and I am saving it in storage emulated, then 0, then download folder. Always look at the location, then save. Now we will look at the file manager. In memory you will get one folder, download, not this one. So this is the internal storage memory. Here in the download folder we are saving, so this is the activity HTML. Now we will open it. In Chrome we are opening. So this is the output of your HTML code.